Revive came on the back of me playing rugby. I used to be a reasonable rugby player, ended up playing in France and was there for 5 years, and took the opportunity when I was in my 20s to go and play rugby in Canada, where I saw the idea for a paint repair franchise and brought this back to the UK and started it up in 1994. I started in van number 1, painting cars for 3.5 years, learning about the business and the experience needed to make this a success. Fast forward several years where the business was growing, we rebranded to Revive in 2004 after a management buyout where Terry Mullin came on board as my business partner and director, and the business has really flourished since 2004.
As a bank manager, I had lots of businesses that I looked after and a number of franchisors, and I wasn't honestly a big fan of franchising. What I particularly liked about Mark when he started his franchise, he really cared about his franchisees. He was hugely passionate about what he did. He did the business himself, so he started off by painting cars and got a successful pilot, which is hugely important with franchising. And then he would come in to see me as his bank manager regularly to ask questions about how he could help his franchisees succeed. And I really liked that. I thought that was very strong, and it changed my opinion, if you like, of franchising.
I think in Revive what I saw was it's a family-based company, but Mark and Terry embody the values of Revive. They are what they say they are, and not everybody is in this day and age. So I'd known the franchise for a long time. I'd actually been on the awarding panel for the awards when Revive won an award many years ago, and could see how good they were. So it was just a natural choice, really.